A mechanic charges $100 just to read a code your car already knows. These 5 OBD2 scanners cost between $19 and $59 and tell you exactly what's wrong, in plain language, before you ever walk into a shop. From a no-battery plug-and-play engine reader to a Bluetooth sensor that stays in your car permanently and alerts your phone. Subscribe before we get into it. The Ansel AD310 is the classic budget benchmark. One of the best-selling OBD2 scanners ever made, still earning top recommendations in 2026 for its combination of reliability, compatibility, and zero learning curve. It covers all 5 OBD2 protocols: KW, P2000, J1850VPW, ISO 9141, J1850PWM, and CAN. You're working on all 1996 plus US vehicles and most 2000 plus European and Asian models. Plug it in, press enter, and it reads, displays, and clears DTCs immediately from its built-in code library. No batteries, no app, no Bluetooth. It powers entirely from the OBD2 port. Live data, freeze frame, I/M readiness, and EVAP system testing are all included. A 4-week hands-on garage test gave it a 4.2 out of 5, called the ideal no-frill solution for car owners who need to quickly understand why their check engine light is on. The large 128 by 64 LCD with white backlight and contrast adjustment is readable in any light. For car owners and DIY mechanics who want the most proven, simplest, most universally compatible budget engine code reader, available with no subscriptions and no extras required, the AD310 is the clear standard. The Moto Power MP69 033 is the ultra budget pick, a sub $20 OBD2 scanner that reads and clears engine codes with a built-in code definition database, I/M readiness checking, and live data display. Like the AD310, it powers entirely from the OBD2 port with no batteries required and works on all OBD2 protocol cars since 1996. The 2-year warranty, double the standard 1 year found on most sub $25 competitors, and is a meaningful signal of build confidence at this price. 6 languages, freeze frame data, and a compact carry-in glove box form factor round out what it offers. One important note: the MP69033 reads and clears engine codes only. It will not access ABS, airbag, or transmission systems. Those require enhanced scanning capability. For the single most common diagnostic need, identifying and clearing a check engine light before or after a repair, the Moto Power MP69033 does the job reliably, instantly, and at a price point that makes keeping one in every vehicle practical. The VDIAG tool VD10 is the compact step-up pick, a plug-and-play OBD2 scanner with a bright TFT backlit screen, a built-in database of over 3,000 DTC definitions, and live data streaming covering engine RPM, intake, air temperature, misfire data, fuel trims, and more simultaneously. All 6 core OBD2 functions are covered: read codes, clear codes, live data, freeze frame, I/M readiness, and vehicle information retrieval. It supports all OBD2 protocols and works across US, European, and Asian vehicles from 1996 onwards. Free lifetime updates keep the code database current without any recurring cost. Hands-on testing on a Mazda CX-5 confirm fast connection, clear DTC definitions on screen, and live data visible in seconds from ignition on. For DIYers and car owners who want more than basic code reading, specifically the ability to view live engine parameters to diagnose intermittent faults and monitor performance over time, the VD10 delivers meaningfully more than the entry-level picks at a still accessible price. The Ansel AD410 is the enhanced mid-tier pick, a step up from the AD310 with a 2.4-inch TFT True Color LCD, a built-in library of over 42,000 DTC definitions, Live O2 sensor testing, EVAP system testing, and a dedicated I/M readiness hotkey that runs the emissions check in a single button press. Real-time live data covers engine RPM, coolant temperature, fuel system status, O2 sensor readings, and more. Displayable in both text and graphical formats for easier interpretation during a diagnostic session. The enhanced EKCU communication delivers faster code reporting than basic readers. 8 language options and free lifetime firmware updates are included. Like the other wired scanners on this list, it covers engine and emission systems on all 1996 plus OBD2 vehicles. ABS, airbag, and transmission codes require a higher tier scanner. For DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts who want Ansel's build quality with a more capable display, a larger built-in code library, and live sensor graphing at around $40, the AD410 is the logical upgrade from the AD310. Closing with the most different product on this list, the FXD Bluetooth OBD2 sensor, a compact dongle that stays permanently plugged into your OBD2 port and connects to your iPhone or Android phone via Bluetooth, transforming your smartphone into a continuous vehicle health monitor. FXD decodes over 7,000 engine fault codes in plain language on your phone screen, shows estimated repair costs, explains the severity of each issue, and sends maintenance reminders for oil changes, tire rotations, and filter replacements based on your actual mileage. The 2026 app update expanded compatibility to 2025, 2026, and 2027 vehicles via UD-Sun OBD2 support with improved Bluetooth connection speed. The app is free for core diagnostics, reading, clearing, and understanding engine codes. A premium subscription adds estimated repair costs, mechanic chat support, and extended vehicle history. Verified long-term users confirm it has identified issues they would not have found without a $2,000 professional scanner or a shop visit. For everyday drivers who want always-on vehicle health monitoring from their phone without keeping a physical scanner in the glove box, Fixed is the most convenient and accessible diagnostic experience on this list. Those are your 5 essential OBD2 scanners for vehicle diagnostics and engine performance tracking in 2026. From a $19 no-frills plug-and-play code reader to a permanent Bluetooth sensor that monitors your car's health from your phone. Stop paying a mechanic to read codes your car already knows. Drop your pick in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.